Yesterday I went to the W6TRW swap meet for the first time in several years. I hadn't been since before the pandemic, and I wanted to show you what I got because a lot of these things will be featured in future videos. This is my take from the W6TRW swap meet yesterday. I have a whole box here of semi-flexible SMA to SMA male cables. That's probably more than a lifetime supply. Here's some Teflon wire. The two spools in the back are 22 gauge solid. The spool here in the middle is 22 gauge stranded. And then this one in the front is actually 50 ohm coax. It's very fine, but Teflon insulated and very soft. I've never seen this before, but it looks quite cool. Then I got this HP 536A frequency meter that goes from 940 megahertz up to 4.2 gigahertz. I got a whole selection of SMA relays, NARDAs and HPs, and then a few miscellaneous ones. I got this brand new, well not brand new, but unused Omega PID controller. It does thermocouples, RTDs, or voltage or current loops. It's really quite cool. And it's unused. This is an Avantech amplifier. I think it's 4 watts. Goes from 20 kilohertz up to 300 megahertz. This is a tunnel diode amplifier that's probably far higher frequency than I'm going to use, but I was kind of interested to see what's inside. Got these miscellaneous one nice one and some look like they might be inexpensive SMA adapters. Got a couple of directional couplers. I'm not sure what frequency range this one is. I'll have to test it out. These three here are attenuators. I think this one's 6 dB. I'm not sure how much power it is. I'm guessing it's like 30 to 50 watts. This is an old germanium diode detector. Yeah. These two boxes here, I got to reuse the boxes, not because I care what's in them. I got all these inline filters. I have no idea what they are. I'm going to have to measure them. But they're big enough that they're probably in a useful frequency range for me. And then I got this Teledyne delay line. These three things are UG-514U dual banana to BNC adapters. That's all BNC to BNC 50 ohm cables, RG174. That there is semi-flexible end-to-end connectors, and then here, this is one cable is an male end to female end. These are all adapters that fit on banana plugs and can test D connectors. They're female or male that go directly onto the pins of D connectors. Those are actually quite handy. I got 3 of these HP 50 ohm 2 watt feed through terminations. And then I got all these GR74 874 connectors. These 3 are to banana jacks. This one's a TNC adapter. This one's a PL259 adapter. These 2 here are opens. This is some weird ass connector. I have no idea what it is. This is a GR874T and an elbow. This is an old General Radio dual banana plug piece for a cable, but it's in good shape. It looks like it hasn't been used. These are some shielded dual banana to BNC adapters. Here I have 5 3 ohm 1% 75 watt resistors, and then some semi-flexible PL259 to SMA cables. Here's some strange things. I have no idea what this is. It's some sort of twin-ax elbow. I'm not familiar with it. This is an N to TNC. And then this is an N to some sort of strange connector. I've never seen that connector before. If you have any idea what it is, please leave it in the comments.